Yoga Nidra is a complete relaxation technique with inner awareness. Though the body may sleep, the mind is aware and awake. The practice also helps to quiet the mind and create a state of inner peace. Yoga Nidra is taught at Vishwa Poornima Yoga Centre under the guidance of Dr Venkatesh Guruji. Let's start the practice. All of you relax in Shavasana on the yoga mat. Lying on your back, closing your eyes, spreading your hands and legs apart, completely relax your mind and body. Do not open your eyes until the practice is over. Follow all instructions but no body movements and no sleeping. You have to keep yourself awake throughout. Develop complete awareness of your whole physical body from top to bottom. Prepare for consciousness movement through the different centers of the body. Repeat the particular part of the body or name of the particular organ in your mind and try to develop awareness around it for a moment. Let the conscious flows. For example, if I say right hand thumb, you have to mentally say right hand thumb without moving it. I will lead your consciousness to the different parts of the body. Just keep yourself awake and develop awareness. Now start with the right side of the body. Say mentally right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, right side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, the right toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to left side of the body. Left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, the left side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, the left toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the back side of the body. Take your mind to the back of the head, which is touching the ground. Right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, right buttock, left buttock, right side of the back, left side of the back, and the whole spinal cord. Go to the top of the head, the crown of the head, the forehead, the left eyebrow, the center of the eyebrow, right eye, left eye, right nostril, right cheek, right ear, left ear, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, gum, tongue, lower jaw, throat, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, center of the chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, right pelvis, left pelvis. I am awake. I am not sleeping. I am awake. and aware of the instructions being given. Develop awareness of the normal breath in the abdomen. Do not alter the breath, but be aware of the rise and fall of the abdomen. With every inhalation, it rises, and with every exhalation, it falls. Just be aware of this flowing, wave-like motion for a few moments. Take your awareness to the physical body. Gently move your toes, legs, fingers, hands, neck, head. Slowly turn right side, come up, sit in Sukhasana. Rub your palms for 30 seconds and apply the heat energy to your eyes and eyebrows. Bring your palms in front of your face and slowly open your eyes. Thank you.